Welcome back to the channel, guys. Josh here at LJ's Chop Shop. Now I'm gonna bring you guys something really cool. Carpuride sent us out this 603D full touchscreen install navigation with front and rear cameras. We're gonna put it on the Honda Grom. I think this is perfect compatibility for something like this. Out here in California, you need to record what is going on. And we're gonna unbox this. We're gonna see what it's about. It's got some weight to it. So they reached out to us, asked us to review this. We're gonna install it on the Grom. We're gonna have a link in the description. You get a discount code, helps us out. So go down, check them out, and give us a little support. Full install, review, and a whole test. So start to finish, you're gonna see it in the box, and then you're gonna see it on the Grom. Let's get going. So I've only opened up the front, and I've only peeked at the screen, and let me tell you, that is a nice heavy-weighted screen. Let's get it out. Let's see what it looks like. All right, we got nice connection points. Look at that. Okay, and control for the handlebar. It looks like we just gotta find nice power, find nice ground, and we can get this installed. Let's see what else it comes with. Pull it out here, packaged very nicely. Yes, I love the connections. Looks like we got USB. We got a bunch of adapters, fit your different handlebar size. Oh, we got one camera. Oh, it looks like they're using some sticky tape here we can use, or it looks like you can put a zip screw in. But once again, very nice connections. And here's the front or rear. I will find out which one is which. But very nice connections again. Very nice. And we got the handlebar mount. And it'll go with some of the adapters there. Looks like we got a visor. Alright, keep the sun off. Ooh, some nice bracketry here. That's gonna be, you hook that to the handlebar to the back of the screen. But yeah, that is good. That looks good. Got yourself some instructions, extra fuse, and very well. Carpuride 603D motorcycle. CarPlay works with your Android and CarPlay. Very nice set of actually, I'm just going to be honest here. These are very nice, laminated, color. I mean, you got more instructions here. You can almost build the thing. Very nice, very nicely done actually. This is a 10 out of 10 instruction booklet right here, for sure. So it should be pretty easy. Let's, with instructions like this, we can't mess it up, right? But yeah, very nice instructions. So you got everything here, 1080p, dual cameras, Bluetooth, waterproof, audio, wired controller, loop recording. That's the big thing here, is why I'm excited. Is on a Grom, you never know. You know, we're already trying to stay ahead of life on a motorcycle. Let's at least capture what the hell is going on out there. But without further ado, let's I'm gonna take this apart, and I won't bore you for that. I'm gonna open this thing up and get it blown apart so we can get to the battery under the seat. We'll get it mounted up here. We'll find a nice spot for the front camera, and then we'll find a nice spot for the rear camera. But yes, this is the upgrade every motorcycle should have, to be able to record any incidents. So when we take it to our court, we know exactly, because everybody wants to blame a motorcyclist to be at fault. So without further ado, let's blow it apart. All right, I just want to give you a look laid out here. Everything's opened up. We got our extra parts. We got our screen, big screen here. Just for comparison, that's the iPhone Pro 14, about the same, just probably slightly smaller with the overall screen. Looks like it ends about here, but for comparison, that's about the size. Easy install here, fairly simple. It's pretty much, I mean, these weatherproof connections here, looking really sharp. Came with the tools, so all you're gonna need is tools to disassemble your motorcycle to get access, but it looks fairly simple. Comes with a couple of screws. You can put the sticky and put the screw in there just for extra holding power. You don't want it to fall off. Very nice looking camera. They got some weight to them, so you know they're going to be good. Very nice. Very impressed. And remember to hit the link in the description. Use our discount code. Save you a couple of bucks and helps the channel out, and we appreciate everybody. So let's get this going. All right, well, we got the side off, right? Access the battery. You're gonna need the battery. I got the side where I'm gonna run the wires. Got it mounted to the bars. Fairly simple. They got all kinds of little shims, rubber shims. And you Grom guys, if you're worried about running that bar pad, look at that. We got plenty of space, and it's actually looking really good. So let's continue on. We're gonna install the controller here on the handlebar, run the power. Remember, hit that link in the description and use that code LJ'sChopShop to save you some cash on one of these, because I have a feeling everybody's gonna want one. All right guys, we're just finishing up the install, and let me tell you, so we ended up getting the camera mounted. The Grom has a little spot right in there for the rear. The front, we put it right there. And we just ran the wires back to the battery, ran them along just nice, zip tie up. We got them coming up through the neck here, then into the back of the screen, and then wow, look at the view here. Let's see, there you go. I mean, it is nice. So we'll just finish it up. Here we go. We'll go back to one camera, two camera. It's take pictures, record. Took a picture, and we can go back to the main screen. We haven't connected our phone yet, but we'll connect the phone. We'll get Apple CarPlay on it. Wow, this thing's pretty nice. Very impressive. And for you Grom guys, that's where you put it. I mean, it's not intrusive. Looks good, actually. Looks real good, and we don't have to worry about, you know, having no proof of what we did out there. Any motorcycle guy. So let's get it all back together. And next time you see me, we'll be doing a little ride along. Just seen those beautiful shots, but I mean, look at this nice beautiful camera setup. See if that's coming through. You can always bring it back to main menu. We got CarPlay, got my maps, we got Pandora. We can always hit it back, take a picture. Main screen, we can run dual front and rear. There you can see where we just took some photos. Let's go for a little ride. See how it does. I'll give you my impressions. Doing a little road test. Yeah, it looks good. Sitting down there, we got front and rear. We got the license plate blocking a little bit, but I mean, it gives you a great view. That's a 1080 picture. Let's go this way. Try to go where nobody is. But so far, it's an excellent camera system. So it's a pretty good camera system. There's the full wide angle view of the rear. We got it tucked underneath the bottom. Stuff like this. Hit the link at the bottom. Really helps the channel out. LJ'sChopShop for your discount code. And let's split screen and a full wide angle view of the front. Not bad. Tell me what your thoughts are. Drop a comment. If this is overkill, if this is what you need, let me know. This is the model 603D with the the dual cameras. I mean, look, rear split. I like it. This will help you catch those bloopers. Everybody wants the bloopers. All right, let me try to navigate with one hand through these roads. I mean, it's got him on the camera. I'm gonna go downtown and see if that works. Look at the maps. That's Apple Maps for your Apple CarPlay. Very clear, high visibility. Here we are. Downtown, historic Yucaipa. Let's go. Yep, there you go. If you want to see it on the map. Downtown Yucaipa. At the house, I'll give you my final thoughts and review. Pretty good footage, huh? Yeah. I think overall, we're gonna give, there's a lower camera there. There's the rear camera there. We got a little muddy, we went through some water. Overall though, this unit is very good. Look at that. You see me walk behind. The unit is very good. I would recommend it just for a legality purpose. Being on a motorcycle, you always want to be able to prove, most of the time it's not the motorcycle rider's fault, it's the motor vehicle. Yes, I will approve of this 100%. I look forward to using it on the vlogs. We're gonna do a little motor vlogging on this, going around town. This will definitely help in adding some footage. And to the next one, you know, hit the link in the description, use our discount code, save yourself a couple of bucks. And look, I mean, it looks clean. So use the discount code, save a couple of bucks, and we'll see you on the next one.